Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Summer's fast approaching. I've got some barbecue ideas, some skewer ideas, but this skewer was absolutely incredible. Now you're going to laugh at me when I say chicken skewer in peanut butter sauce. What I have here are 4 chicken thighs cut into cubes, and these are boneless chicken thighs, but you can use bone in, whatever you like. And I'm going to marinate this up with about 1 tablespoon of that marvelous smelling curry powder. Next up, a teaspoon of white sugar, some salt and pepper, of course, a tablespoon of red curry paste, and you can buy this in just about any grocery store. Now at least 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Now you can use, yogurt if you like, whatever you want. And I'm just going to mix that up using my hands until everything is well combined. Just kind of massage the chicken or the marinade into every nook and cranny of the chicken. Chickens love massagers. So I'm going to cover this up with some of that good old cling wrap and allow this to marinate in the fridge for about 20 minutes. You can even go overnight, which is even better. Okay guys, well that wonderful chicken is marinating. We're going to make our dipping sauce by combining 1 cup of coconut milk. I just love coconut milk. A tablespoon of red curry paste, and you can buy this in just about any grocery store. A tablespoon of white granulated sugar, a tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, 6 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter. Yes, you heard me, smooth peanut butter. You may think, what? And as I said before, but this is going to be delicious. A pinch of salt just to bring out those flavors. And last but not least, some pepper. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Remember not to stir it because there is vinegar in it. Once it's boiled, you can stir it. After a boil, I'm going to grab my handy dandy wooden spoon and mix this up until everything is nicely combined. And we're going to go ahead and simmer this until the sauce thickens. Okay, now once the sauce is thickened, I'm going to go ahead and set this aside in a bowl. Doesn't this look incredible? After about 20 minutes of marinating, I'm going to grab up my chicken and put it on my skewer. Now some people like to soak their skewers. I don't, because this grill is pretty fast, so you don't have to be bothered. And we're just going to go ahead and set these aside. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and put these on my indoor grill. You can use an outdoor grill, but it's just cold and rainy today, so I like my indoor. You can even use a frying pan too. For about 5 or 6 minutes, it's beautifully cooked, and just look at this, guys, absolutely great. I'm just going to go ahead and set these aside on a plate. They smell incredible. And we're going to go ahead and garnish this up with some fresh cilantro, which is just going to add that nice pop to it. And there you have it, our chicken skewers with peanut butter dipping sauce. Easy to make, incredibly delicious. You're going to love it. Okay, I'm going to grab up one and we're going to do a little taste test. So let's start by dipping it in the peanut butter sauce. Guys, this looks absolutely incredible. Guys, this is absolutely incredible. You might have laughed at me when I said peanut butter sauce. It's so good, the spices combined together with the peanut butter sauce. You're just going to love it. You got to make this. For this recipe, Pop on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of good stuff over there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And see you next time.